my YouTube family, how are you all? Hope all are good. Today I am preparing gujia, sweet recipe with a healthy twist in it. Please go through the complete video and like and share with your friends. If you like the content, also do not forget to hit the subscribe button along with the bell icon. Friends, please go through the ingredients that we have used for making this recipe. Friends, let us start the process. You have to take the whole wheat flour and the all-purpose flour with small pinch of salt in it. Okay, so I have taken this whole wheat flour and the maida of 1 bowl, same quantity, with some salt and 1 glass of water with 2 tablespoons of ghee. Now I will add the whole wheat flour and the all-purpose flour in a bowl, in a container, whatever you can take. Once you add both in a container, then add the salt in it, 1/4 tablespoon of salt in it, and then add 2 tablespoons of ghee in it, and then mix well. Friends, after adding the whole wheat flour and the all-purpose flour with the salt and ghee and mixing them gently, then you have to make a neat dough of it. Okay, I will use this food processor for kneading the dough. You can also use your hands as well for making the dough. Okay. Friends, I just love this food processor and this makes the work very easy. See how quick the dough will come out. See friends, our dough is ready. You can see in the video. Okay, I will take it out into a container now. Friends, I am kneading this dough with my hands a little bit. That's it friends, see, the dough is ready. Now you have to cover the dough for half an hour with a moist cloth. I have taken this moist cloth and I will cover the dough and rest it for next half an hour. This will make it smooth. Friends, after preparing the dough, we will proceed for the stuffing. This is khoya. I have taken 1 bowl of khoya. And then next, this is dry fruit mixture. You can check the link. I have made this homemade protein powder into the description box. Then I have taken the raisins, some small amount of raisins, and these are cardamom or elaichi. Friends, now in the next step we will grate this khoya. Okay, simply have to grate all the khoya into a plate. See, this is done. Now we will move on to the next step. This is jaggery. I am not using sugar in it as this is the healthy version, so I am using the whole wheat flour as well, and no sugar in it. We will use the jaggery. We will melt into a container. I have taken this kadhai or a container, switch on the flame, and then add the 2 tablespoons of ghee in it once the container get warm. Friends, now I am adding the ghee in the kadhai pan. Okay, once it get warm, then I will add the khoya, the grated khoya in it with the elaichi, cardamom. Friends, now it is all set. I will add the khoya in the ghee and stir well. You have to mix well and cook well so that there will be no moisture into the khoya. Friends, once you cook it for some time, you will see the khoya will come together. Once you get the stage, then you can add the dry fruits in it. See, I am adding the raisins. Okay, I am adding the raisins. Mix well, and then you have to add the dry fruit powder. You can check out the link. I will add this into the description box as well. Okay. See friends, all together the mixture is ready. Now we can add the jaggery in it. I have this 1 cup of jaggery. You can use half cup as well. Okay, then add it in and mix well. Cook well for few minutes. See friends, at last you will get this type of texture and this type of color. This is the final stage. Okay. Once this is done, you have to take out into a container. And our dough is almost ready now. After half an hour, see how smooth is it. Now for making the gujia, you have to take the dough and cut it into a smaller parts. Each and part will be equal. Friends, make small rolls from the dough. Okay. Now what you have to do, you have to make small circles like puri. Like we make the puris, you have to make a small circle like puri, and then we will add the stuffing in it. This stuffing that we have made. Friends, you have to make sure the stuffing should not be warm. This is completely cooled down. Otherwise your gujia will not come out properly. Okay, the stuffing should not be warm. Please keep it in mind. Now I will make small puri structure. See, this type you have to make small roll from the dough. After making it, you can use a gujia maker which is available in the market. See, I have this one. Or if you don't have this can make the process very easy. Okay, otherwise what you have to do is you have to add the stuffing in the this roll, and then you have to cut the edges via using the pizza cutter. Okay, and then you can also use the fork for making the design at the end. See, this process is very simple. Now I am adding the stuffing in it, and what you have to do next is take some amount of water on your fingertip and then pour the same on the edges of the gujia. Okay, this will make sure that your stuffing will not come out. Now you have to press this, and the extra amount of dough you have to remove it from the gujia maker. See, your gujia is ready. What you have to do next is you have to cook it. Rest, all the process is done. Now I am making all the gujia stuffing like this process only. Okay. Friends, repeat the process with this amount of quantity. You can make at least 10 to 15 gujias. Okay. Or if you want to increase the quantity of the flour, you can increase or add the water accordingly to make the dough. Friends, I always try to make the recipes with the healthy version, so I am baking this into a air fryer. You can also bake this into the oven. See, these are the gujias what we have made. Okay, first I will preheat and this is the another version. The people who want to taste it as a fried version, they can fry into a container, or else if you want to bake it, you can bake into an air fryer or in oven as well. I am preheating the same. Okay, once it get preheated, we will add this gujias into the air fryer. For this, what you have to do, you have to just take a brush. With the brush, you can add this ghee over the gujias. A small quantity of ghee, you have to spread it in all the gujias. That's it. No other oil you have to use it in. So this makes the recipe a very healthy version. Okay, there is no sugar in it. There is a lesser amount of maida and a more healthier, how, as we have made this with a whole wheat flour. Okay, with small quantity of raisins and the dry fruits as well. This makes the recipe very healthy. Friends, apply the ghee on both the sides of the gujia. I am just turning it out, and then I will add the ghee or spread the ghee onto the other side as well. Okay. That's it, friends. Now our air fryer is also preheated. Okay, I will just put all the gujias in the basket, air fryer basket. Okay, this is almost done. That's it. Just close the jar and set the time and bake the same for 20 to 25 minutes at 200 degrees Celsius. And I will check whether the oil is heated or not by adding some amount of dough in it. It needs some more heating. Okay, now I am adding the gujia in the oil. Obviously, friends, the fried version is better than the baking version, but if you want to be healthy and you want to eat healthy, then I prefer to go with the baking process. Friends, you need to cook it from both the sides. Just flip it. Once it get cooked from one side, see, the brownish color is came up, and now your gujia is almost ready. Transfer into a plate or whatever the container you have. Okay, see, the gujias are ready. Likewise, you have to make other gujias as well. Now our process is done. For baking version, see, these are so crispy gujias that we have made. See the texture, I just love it. And after having this gujia, I just wanted to tell you that it was like a chocolate into the gujias, because the jaggery which we have used, the complete recipe is very healthy and very delicious. And this is the fried version, friends. See, both the versions I have shown you. You can choose up to your requirement, whatever you want. Okay, store the gujias into the airtight jar so that it will be soft and smooth. See, this is the final output. Friends, happy Holi to all of you. Stay safe and play Holi safely. If you like my video and content, please like and share with your friends. Also, please do not forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell icon for the immediate updates. Thank you friends. Thanks a lot for watching the video. Bye bye. Take care.